I'm wondering, I know you said kanina na hindi mo sila kaharap all the time and you don't have that much interaction with them. But the fact is that you were also there and I think you helped organize the first press conference. So I'm wondering lang if you would know if there are other witnesses that are going to surface to buttress their earlier statements, as well as whether there are other new allegations against other new officials that are coming up as far as you know. Well, let me start off with that first before we go forward.
Yes. Well, Ed, from what I know kasi may mga lalabas pa. Ngayon, as to ano yung actual allegation sila, kung ito ba'y karagdagan or this will also reinforce what the 18 soldiers have stated, I'm not particularly sure about it. Pero from what I understand, marami pang mga, as I mentioned, marami kasi mga sundalian, 100 halos, and there are those who would also want to come out and to present themselves kung ano yung nalalaman nila.
Mhm.
On the other hand, may nababalitaan ba kayo na gustong bumaliktad? O kaya
Yung
baka
ma'am,
meron na naman dyan biglang mag-disappear
doon po sa 18 na gustong
sa
na
18?
nagsalita.
Oo.
Opo, actually ma'am, wala naman po ako nababalitaan pa hindi ko po sila nakakausap direkta since
Yes.
maybe a week or two. Hindi ko pa po sila nakakausap, pero ano naman po, high moral po sila, maganda po yung pananaw nila, and nagkaroon ata sila ng kanilang sariling pagdadasal nitong pong Holy Week. May pagkakaisa sila, mga sundalo, kasama din ng kanilang mga pamilya. So naniniwala naman ma'am ako na more or less matitibay po yung paninindigan nito, at may mga lalabas pa na kasama sila na of course will also help boost the morale